Hey, so we're back with the 2024 Florida RV Supershow. We are checking out teardrops and truck campers, so let's go. So here's another concept for someone that's trying to get into camping. If you have a truck, all you gotta do is stick it on the back. So these are truck campers. Let's take a look inside of one. Wow, truck campers have definitely come a long way. I mean, look at all this. You would not expect all of this to be inside of something that you're just attaching to the back of your truck. So, 3-burner cooktop, you have a convection microwave, refrigerator with freezer. You have a fireplace, TV right here in your kind of your living room area. Look at that. Comfortable looking seating there. So this is the Host Mammoth 11.6 MSRP 128,272. So of course you would get some better show pricing typically. So wow, you got some wardrobe space, and that is the bed. Yeah, that's a queen size mattress. Actually, that's pretty big. Yeah, that's definitely pretty big. And we'll take a look from the other side. Oh wow, okay. There's your toilet. So you have a door. Yep. So you can't actually close the door. That's a good thing. from both sides. But yeah, you have a toilet. You have a sink. Wow. And I think this has a shower. Let's take a look. It surely does. Look at that. Wow. Once again, truck campers have come a long way. And there's just the other side of the bed. So yeah, I am very impressed with how far truck campers have come. Of course, this has air conditioning. I see some vents for a furnace. Wow. Yeah, not bad. So here's a company called Northern Lite that is advertising a 4-season truck camper. Looks really nice on the outside there. You guys see a solar panel on top too, which is nice. So this is the rear entry. So let's take a look here. Wow. One thing I definitely notice is the woodworking in here looks really nice. The wood looks high quality. So there's your refrigerator and freezer. Here, let me zoom this out a little bit. There you go, that's a little better. Okay, nice little dinette, wraparound dinette area. Got an AC unit, that's your bedroom back here in the back. With a little bit of wardrobe space in there. A little TV in the back. Galley kitchen. Wow, now this actually has a full oven and 3-burner cooktop. So yeah, come in here and cook some meals. Yeah. And let's take a look here real quick. Slides. Okay, so there's a toilet. And okay, shower. Yeah, this is a full wet bath in here. So then there's some additional wardrobe space. This is definitely cool. This is a company called nuCamp that makes these style little campers here. And you know, when we went to the RV museum up in Elkhart, Indiana this summer, when you look at these really kind of remind me of like some of the original little campers, little trailers that we saw that were back from the 1930s and 40s, you know. So really kind of a retro look, but obviously with some, you know, a lot of the new technology. I mean, pretty basic on the inside, but you know, it definitely gets you off of the ground and gives you some air conditioning, which in Florida is very important. But yeah, this back area here with your little galley kitchen. I mean, you have a You have a microwave. That's a convection microwave. Single burner cooktop with a sink. I mean, this is pretty neat. Let me see what is. I'm not sure what this is. Okay. Yeah, you can pull out cooler. So yeah, I mean, you have a cooler, you have a microwave, you have a cooktop, you have the sink. So you would have to use the bathhouse, but outside of that, hey, and that looks like some solar right there. So yeah, definitely something potentially good for boondocking as well. So they have a couple of different models, but once again, if you want to get into camping, you're starting out, hey, this may be something that you want to consider.
Check out our Wander Open Roads travel gear shop in Etsy. Click on the link in the description.
Here's another model. Barefoot. Look at that. Oh wow, okay, this one has a bathroom, which is nice. Check that out. Nice retro vibe with the modern conveniences. Very cute. Yeah.
All right, so let's take a look inside of this MiniMax.
Okay, standing up.
All right, so as you step inside, you have the kitchen, looks like a 2-burner stove. Sink, you have some storage space underneath. Some cubbies above. And this would be your shower. So the fact that this has a wet bath is kind of amazing because it's super tiny. And it has some your fold out sink and your shower. So a small little wet bath. You have your 2-door refrigerator there. And then you have your, in the back here, your dinette, sofa seating. So your everything here. So you have your little table for you to be able to eat. Looks like that swings out. Looks like this piece here, kind of you pull that out. And then you can make this into one big bed area. I'm liking all of the windows back here. So they open up. There is like a netting here. So you can really open these up and get some fresh air. And then you have the rest of your kitchen area. So you have your microwave there. And some space there to store your items. Cup holder. So this is the last look of the MiniMax, and this is a teardrop. So let's take a look inside of this Cirrus 620 by nuCamp. This is a truck camper. So we have our refrigerator here and our dinette area. So that table just swivels. You have your kitchen area. So you have a single sink and a 2-burner stove. You have your convection microwave. And then you have what looks to be like a full-size bed, maybe a queen, thinking a full. You have 3 windows surrounding the bed. You have some little cubby storage areas. And let's do a final look. Oh, you also have a cassette toilet. So there's your toilet. So no shower, but you do have a way to use the restroom. So I'm just kind of backing out here. All right, so here's the final look. So here is another nuCamp truck camper. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. This one is actually on a truck, which is nice to see. So walking inside, I can see the closet space here and the drawer space. Here's the kitchen. So this is the 920 Cirrus. So you have the window behind the sink, deep sink there. You have lots of storage. You have your oven, and you have your Furrion induction. Make sure I say that right. Induction 2-burner there. Your fan, you have some above storage. So push knob and then pull, and then push it back in to lock it. Your refrigerator. Here's the dinette. So it is a step up to the dinette. There's some storage, but nice big window there. And you have a step up to the bed area. But this is the bed area. Has a TV, some little cubbies, lots of cubbies actually. Nice windows, nice big windows, and a privacy curtain. So here's just another look from the bed area. This is actually pretty big. And then the bathroom is down here. Could potentially be a wet bath. Let's take a look. No, it is actually not a wet bath. Wow, okay. So you have the nice window. It's your shower. I like that bowl. Let me get some light in here. Yeah, that's actually a nice bathroom. And so here is the final look of the 920 Cirrus truck camper. Lots of space in here. Let's take a look inside of this ALiner Expedition. So this is the dinette area. The table is not set up, but the table would be here. So you have a nice window right above that, and you can see how the frame is designed where they're actually giving you some headroom in the dinette area. And then here is the kitchen area. So you have a refrigerator, microwave, you have a bowl sink, and I'm assuming that's like a 2-burner stove there. You have a nice set of windows here, and they all have little curtains to kind of close that off. So here you have a sofa, nice long sofa actually, and I'm assuming that this actually folds down and then that turns into a bed. You have some nice windows in the back, and then you also have a cassette toilet right here. Let me see what's under this. Okay, just checking it out. Okay, so you have some nice little storage there. I didn't know if it was like a fold-up shower or anything. Sometimes they do have those, but you do at least have a cassette toilet. And so here's a final look. These nice little A-frame trailers.
Hey, so once again, we are not being paid to do these reviews. We are doing these based on our own opinions, so just keep that in mind. Thanks for joining us for another Wander Open Roads adventure, and we will see you next time.
Wander safely.